Hi everyone. Welcome to the world of tanning. I know it can be confusing when you're first starting out, so I'm here to help. The first question many people have when entering this world is how many tanning sessions do I need for a base tan? Or how many tanning lamps can I have in a week? The answer isn't as simple as a number, but I can help you figure it out. First, you'll need to determine your phototype. Your phototype is determined by a responsible beauty expert who is trained to identify it. Once your phototype is determined, you'll need to determine your goals. Different technologies offer different benefits, so you'll want to decide what you're looking for. Smart solarium devices are the best of both worlds, offering maximum safety and a perfect tan. For the best tan color, you'll want to combine different sessions. Low-pressure technology takes 4 to 5 hours to take effect, but it stimulates melanocytes to produce melanin. High-pressure technology has a higher percentage of UVAs and takes effect immediately, but it fades after 3 or 4 days. For a single event, low-pressure technology is best for those with lighter phototypes, while high-pressure technology is better for those with darker phototypes. So to answer the original question, there's no exact number of how many tanning lamps you can have in a week or in a year. But a good rule of thumb is 2 tanning lamps per week. Remember, the quality of the device matters. Smart Solarium offers the highest quality devices, ensuring the safety and satisfaction of its customers. So what are you waiting for? Come visit Smart Solarium and get the perfect tan today.